All right, people, I'm chilling. It's Sunday. You know, I've got a lot of videoing I've been doing lately, but man, I actually found some videos that I edited a long time ago that I never uploaded. So I'm going to upload this one today on Sunday. It is our trunk or treat that I never freaking uploaded from last Halloween. So hope you enjoy. Check it out.
It's a series of audio diaries from people around the country about how they're finding hope during the day. Each episode is a reminder that we're in this together.
If you want to ask children where the art hall is, you can go through. I just don't know where it's at.
All right. We got ghosts over here. Clown right there. I love the shoes.
Thank you.
Oh my God, that's adorable.
It's even funnier when he walks.
Oh my God, you're so adorable. You can deliver packages anytime. Yo, what's up?
Got the hearse back again this year, huh?
We do, yeah. It's black this time. It wasn't painted last time we were here. Very cool. We were totally looking at those chairs the other day. The rocking.
so comfy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, they don't pay for it. They don't make you pay for it.
Got some games over here.
Friday night.
Spooky spider webs. We got just the big old candy there. Looks awesome. Oh, that's cool. It is really good. Love the pumpkin lights. Love it.
Where do you purchase?
Oh, there's a velociraptor in there. There, it's right there. There it comes. Oh no! And then there's been a murder over here. Crime scene.
Okay, but seriously, one question.
Oh
Who
no.
has that type of car? Just out of the hearse? Yeah. That's
My favorite costume is this dude as a snail right here. And he has rollerblades on, so he's like totally just like gliding along. It's perfect. So I'll try to catch him moving here in a second. It is slow, however, it's a snail. Alien. Oh no, someone's been abducted by an alien. Oh my God, 2 people abducted. Oh no. It's an alien abduction and a plague.